In this guide, you'll learn how to set up Assistive Access on an iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, you will need a 4-digit passcode specifically for Assistive Access and optionally your Apple account details as a backup way to exit if the passcode is forgotten. Now launch Settings, scroll down and head over to the option Accessibility. Scroll all the way down. Now click on the option Assistive Access. Then click on the option Set up Assistive Access. Click Continue. The user should already be signed into their Apple account, or you can tap Change Apple account to sign them in. Next, choose how text and app icons appear, rules for the text or grid for visuals. Then tap Continue. Add apps you want the user to access with Assistive Access, like Calls, which lets you customize call options, add favorites, and enable features like keypad or speaker. You can also add any other installed app, each with a consistent back button to return to the home screen. Once you are done, click on Continue. Using Assistive Access, you can go through this and click on Continue. Once again, click on Continue. Now set Assistive Access passcode. Re-enter it. Optionally, set a recovery Apple account for backup. Once setup is complete, you can start Assistive Access immediately or later. Within the settings, you can further customize options like accessibility shortcut or hiding the back button for unoptimized apps. To start Assistive Access, enter your passcode. The screen will go black briefly as the device enters Assistive Access mode. Users can now use optimized apps with a simplified interface with a back button to navigate home and a triple click of the side button for additional options, including exiting Assistive Access. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.